Okay, so let's perform the exercises. So first exercise is just laying flat on the bed. Okay, so basically nakadapa lang po. Pwedeng yung mukha nakasubsub sa kama or pwedeng nasa sides. And then, hold that position for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? And then, after 3 minutes, yung next exercise natin is called your prone on elbow. So, basically, iaangat nyo lang po ng kaunti yung katawan, tapos itutuon yung elbows natin habang nakaprop dun sa kama. Again, hold this position for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? Kapag mahirap, pwedeng maglagay ng pillows underneath or i-move yung elbows. The next exercise is called your prone on hands. So basically, itutulak mo lang yung sarili mo pataas and hold it for 10 seconds. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after that, pwede kang bumaba. Okay? And